Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Diamond Victoria, and today I'm going to be doing a jumbo knotless tutorial. So as y'all can see, I'm doing this on some like old straightened hair. I had it straightened and curled a little while ago or whatever. I didn't wash it or anything, but these are the two gels that I'm using, Lock and Twist and Knee Braid. I like both of these equally, but I think the Lock and Twist hold it a little bit better, so I prefer Lock and Twist. You need scrunchies, you need a comb, and lastly you need the hair. I got 1B because my hair is black, and then I got the 56-inch hair. I usually get 72, but they didn't have it. So right here I'm parting my hair, and I'm starting from the back, and I'm going from the top of each ear to the other ear. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Yes, yes, yes. Now pull it down. Yes. So then after you do this, you just really want to clean up your part. I'm seeing it because I'm looking at this mirror, but it's also a mirror behind me. So I recommend, especially if you're a beginner, to use double mirrors or some type of hack you can use where is a mirror behind you and in front of you so you can see, or some people screen record or whatever. And then you want to separate that piece into two, and then you want to twist those pieces up. So I part out my whole hair before I start, because I don't want to start and then I got 5 braids in my head and I'm like, damn, I done messed up. So the next part that I did, because I couldn't really get it, I sectioned the top part out first so I can finish the back. So I got all the hair out the front that I wanted to use, and then the rest of the hair in the back I made it into 2 parts. So it's 3 sections in the back of my head. The bottom row has 2 pieces, the middle row is going to have 3, and the top row is going to have 2. I'm just cleaning the part out right here. And a little uneven. Gotta get that right. Yep, that look about right. Like again, I'm sectioning this piece into 3 pieces, and as y'all can tell, I'm making this part by going off of the middle of the bottom part, if that makes sense. So I split the 2 pieces that are on the side down the middle of the back pieces, and then that's how I got my middle part, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense, but if y'all seen how I just did that should make sense. And then I split these 2 parts in the middle of my middle part. So my middle part is in the middle, and then I took the split of that and made my 2 pieces. So now I'm making my middle part, and I added a little gel to just make it like straighter. Yeah. Now I'm splitting this piece into 2. So the front of my hair is only going to have 2 rows. This is going to all be one big section. And then the section at the top, I'm just going to split that in half of that big section. It's pretty simple. I only have it's 6 braids in the front and 5 braids in the back. So it's really only like 11. Actually, it's not 5 braids in the back, it's 7. So it's 13 braids, sorry. So then I'm doing the exact same thing to the side, splitting it. It's all about you just splitting it. You part something and you just split the other part, and that's how you get your next part. But y'all should be able to see the foundation of how I laid it out. Now I'm just breaking up this hair, which is the worst part about braiding. You have to keep sectioning hair. I got a hair stand thingy, but I just don't feel like putting it together. But right here, you want to put your gel on your hair. You want it flat as possible. We want this thing flat as a bust down. So you split that into 3 pieces. And if you know how to braid, I believe this is braiding over, not under. I can't really say exactly how to braid, but just watch my fingers. I'm just going over, just gripping the piece. It's all about gripping it and just flipping it over. And then once you braid about once or twice, it really depends. On the front, I usually braid more. In the back, I probably only do it once, but I probably braid it about 2 to 3 times here and then add it in the hair. And then I'm just flipping it over the same way that I was braiding. You just add a piece in. It's really no different than braiding a regular plait. I add in about 3 pieces at the top, and then in the middle I add about 2, and then at the ends I might add another 2 more, because like I said, I get 72 inches and this was only 50 something, so I had to make it as long as I wanted it to be. And take your time, don't rush, because you're adding it in, so you don't want bubbles, you don't want knots. So once you get the hang of it, then you can start to move a little faster. So now I'm on braid number 3. I'm just braiding and braiding and braiding. As you can tell right here, I'm adding it here. And yeah, it's pretty long. And also too, and to avoid frizz, you want to put product on your hair. So how y'all just see me add the product? Yeah, I realized there was a little frizzy at the ends. And right here, I was getting hyped because I was, look, done the front already. 6 braids. This should only take not even an hour if you really got the hang of it. And then the back. So I did the 2 pieces already because it's just a little hard to record and do my hair. Oh, look, did 2 more. Oh, wow. Like I said, we lay in that gel. And with the back is different. The front I kind of braid to the side. The back, you want to make sure that this is straight as possible, so you're not braiding it to the side. Even though your arms is going to hurt, you got to keep them up in the air, keep them back there, because you need to braid it down. We want them flat. We don't want it to the side. We don't want it up. We want it down. Braid. Y'all see I did it about twice. Adding your first piece, grip it, yes. Put it in between those 2 fingers and grip. Grip. Don't give yourself a headache, but grip. Braid it over twice. Add another piece in. Keep those hands up right here. I know my arms are hurting for sure, but we want it flat. 3rd piece. Yes. Make sure y'all gripping and not leaving pieces out. That's how y'all get them little bubbles in the braids. Continue to keep braiding down until you can reach it over to braid to the side, but you want to make sure the foundation is completely flat before you do this. So I'll probably braid it down, yep, like that, and then you can bring it to the side. This hairstyle is really easy, y'all. This like should only take about 2-3 hours if you know, got a section out here and part, you're having trouble parting. That's the only reason this hairstyle should take long. Putting the braids on takes all of an hour and a half, 2 hours. It really doesn't take much time at all. This is my favorite quick hairstyle to do. So I'm just showing y'all so y'all can have, you know, a new hairstyle that y'all can do if y'all don't know how to do it already. Same concept, adding the pieces in. Very easy. Yep, y'all see how flat it is? This is what y'all want. But yeah, and adding the hair in slowly. I did it a little closer so y'all could see it. I realized I wasn't really, I don't know, it's so hard to record and do your hair. Like I was so like paying attention to the mirror, I was forgetting to look at the camera. But bear with me, we almost done. Little rip dance break because I'm getting excited that we almost done. Yes, girl, you did it. Look at that. Okay, so the knotless is completely finished. Very flat, very demure, very popping. Like what? So this was about 3 days later. I forgot to record after I dipped my hair, but this is 3 days later and they still look good. Still look like what? Like I went to the salon. But thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all want to see. Let me know what videos I should do for y'all. Bye.